I'm going to give some tricks for using some tools found on the internet to create awesome learning experiences using the CurrikiStudio. So the first resource I recommend is H5P has a section of their site called Examples and Downloads. This section is where you can find the interactive learning types, the activity types that we have. These show you examples of what the final experience looks like for students. So if you wanted to know, hey, should I use the find the word activity type? This is where you can see an example of what it will look like for the end learner. Here is another example of the before and after. It doesn't exactly show you how to create it, but it does show you examples of what it'll look like when you're done using the tool. If you're creating a learning activity and want to have really stunning photos in your thumbnails or in your learning activities, we recommend using Unsplash. When we were creating the National Parks playlist, it was really easy to just search open source, free, fair use photos that were very fun and easy to bring into our playlist. Photos in Curriki must be under 10 megabytes and must be in the format of a PNG or a JPEG. If you have a great image but want to add something special to it, I recommend using Canva. Canva is great because it allows you to create designs with a lot of turnkey tools. So in this example, I'm going to create an example cover photo. It gives some templates that I can pull from. It allows me to pull in photos of different things I can search. I can size it or crop it if I want. And then I can add text. Ta-da. I can add elements such as stickers, charts, lines, and allow somebody with limited design skills like myself to create something beautiful. The last resource to pull your attention to is an example program outline. This is just created by us as a way to start thinking about how you might consider your project, the information you will need when you create it in the studio, and then things to think about when you create a playlist. The activity type, the title, the thumbnail image, and then the content. I've found that using a program outline means that when I get into CurrikiStudio, I'm much faster at actually creating my learning programs. For any questions while you're using the CurrikiStudio, please feel free to chat us or email us at welcome@curriki.org.